Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to attempt to fix my friend's remote control from her car. For some reason the buttons, the lock and unlock button doesn't work anymore. So let's see, once I open it, and we can take a visual or do a visual inspection to see what exactly is going on with it. So in this case I'm going to use a pocket knife. Of course this video is not sponsored, so I'm just going to use it just to pry it open. And there's a little opening over here if you can see it, so I'm just going to pry it open here, and it shouldn't be that difficult to open, as you can see, right? And then as I said, we're just going to do a little inspection here, and once I inspect the main board, then I can assess as to what exactly needs to be done. So after visual inspection of the main board, and also checking exactly where the unlock and lock buttons are positioned, so figure that this one here, this button, is the one that is not making contact with the board. What I will attempt to do is try to solder it, and by no means I am a professional here, so this is just a DIY. So let's see how that goes, and if it doesn't go well, then it's not a big deal because he already bought a new one. So this attempt is just for the purpose of this video. So for this I went and got a pair of tweezers, and I'm using my third hand to disconnect that or remove it from the motherboard. It's figured it will be much easier doing it that way. So let's just hold a little bit, and then just put a little bit of a soldering iron just to disconnect it from here, and sort of like slippering, and that's it. So I took out the little piece, and what happens is that this little button is not making connection to the motherboard, so I have to clean that up first now. Okay, so this third hand tool is not really touching any component. I just put it in a very in an area where it wouldn't touch any of the components, but as you can see, I removed it so now I need to make sure that it's cleaned up and I can resolder it so it can make contact to the motherboard. Okay, so let me clean it up and I'll be right back. So now that I was able to clean it up and remove all that soldering, I'm gonna resolder it, but using the solder it paste, and let's see how it goes because this piece is very small. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place it over this, but of course I'm going to put some of this first and then place it over, and then with the soldering iron just apply some heat, and let's see if it bonds. Okay, so I just placed it in there. I put a little bit of a solder it, so let's see if this is going to stay. So I'm just going to apply a little heat on each corner and see how that's going to work. So I applied that little bit of heat there, and we have a little bit on this other side. Let's see if you can see it. So let's take a look. So this is the piece that we're trying to connect. Right now it's holding, so but we still need to test it out with the car, so let's see how that goes. So right now, as you can see, this piece, these two ends are connected. Unfortunately I cannot come any closer for you to see it, but it is already bonded. Okay, so the other side is already connected as well. So everything looks good. It looked like it was a simple process, but the true test is going to be if it works on the car. So now let's try to put everything back together and see how it goes. And that's it. Now it's just a matter of waiting for my friend to stop by so we can test it out. I'll let you know the results. Thank you for watching. Let's see if it works. It's working. It's working.